Hello viewers, welcome to PK Learning. Viewers, today we will discuss the 200 most important MCQs of plant taxonomy, and this is the part first of plant taxonomy MCQs. Let's start it. And first question is, who is known as father of taxonomy? Theophrastus, John Mendel, Carolus Linnaeus या फिर Charles Darwin? And answer is C, Carolus Linnaeus. Father of taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus. And next question is, the term taxonomy was given by Theophrastus, Charles Darwin, Huxley या फिर A.P. de Candolle. And answer is D, A.P. de Candolle. Term taxonomy was given by de Candolle. D is correct option. And next question is, the whorl of leaves that enclose a cluster of flowers are known as sepal, stipules, involucre या फिर all of these. And answer is C, involucre. Cluster of flowers, involucre. C is correct option. And next question is, the national flower of Pakistan is rose, jasmine, lotus या फिर none of these. And answer is B, jasmine. National flower of Pakistan, B is correct option, jasmine. And next question is, the largest flower in the world is sunflower, lotus, rafflesia या फिर rose. And answer is C, rafflesia. The largest flower in the world, rafflesia. C is correct option. And next question is, which one of the following is smallest flower? Lemna, Wolfia, Rafflesia या फिर Iberis? And answer is B, Wolfia. Wolfia is the smallest flower in the world. B is correct option. And next question is, the botanist who started herbarium making, Linnaeus, Casalpino, George King या फिर de Candolle? And answer is B, Casalpino. Botanist who started herbarium making, Casalpino. B is correct option. And next question is, the largest herbarium of the world is of Berlin Botanical Garden, Kew Garden, Redwood of California या फिर Australian Botanical Garden? And answer is B, Kew Garden. Largest herbarium of the world, Kew Garden. B is correct option. And next question is, the oldest literature of the botany available is Species Plantarum, Philosophia Botanica, Historia Plantarum या फिर none of these. And answer is C, Historia Plantarum. Oldest literature of botany, Historia Plantarum. C is correct option. And next question is, Species Plantarum was written by Carolus Linnaeus, Charles Darwin, Theophrastus या फिर George King? And answer is A, Carolus Linnaeus. Species Plantarum was written by Carolus Linnaeus. A is correct option. And next question is, Genera Plantarum was published in 1 volume, 3 volumes, 12 volumes या फिर 23 volumes? And answer is D, 23 volume. Genera Plantarum, 23 volume. D is correct option. And next question is, the classification system given by Bentham and Hooker is artificial, natural, phylogenetic या फिर numerical? And answer is B, natural. Classification system of Bentham and Hooker is natural classification system. B is correct option. And next question is, artificial system of classification was first used by Linnaeus, Candolle, Theophrastus या फिर none of these? And answer is A, Linnaeus. Linnaeus classification system is artificial system of classification. A is correct option. And next question is, Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called monomial, binomial, polynomial या फिर none of these? And answer is B, binomial. Binomial nomenclature system introduced Carolus Linnaeus. B is correct option, binomial. And next question is, the smallest unit of classification is species, family, variety या फिर kingdom? And answer is A, species. Species is the smallest unit of classification. A is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.